Today, we're diving into the Vivo X200 Pro, a phone that's been making waves in the flagship space. With its sleek design, powerful specs, and insane camera setup. Is this the ultimate flagship killer? Let's find out in this full review. Unboxing and first impressions. First, let's unbox this beauty. Inside the box, we've got the Vivo X200 Pro, a 100GB in 20W fast charger, a USB-C cable, a protective case, and some documentation. No surprises here. But that 120-bar charger is a game changer. More on that later. First impressions? This phone looks stunning. The curved glass back feels premium, and the matte finish keeps fingerprints at bay. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, which is a big plus for a phone with a 6.8-inch display. To design and display. Let's talk about the design. The Vivo X200 Pro features a sleek, modern look with slim bezels and a centered punch-hole camera. The back has this subtle gradient finish that catches the light beautifully. It's available in 3 colors: Cosmic Black, Aurora Blue, and Sunset Gold. And I've got the Aurora Blue variant here. Now, the display. It's a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 128 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the brightness is excellent, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching videos, this screen is an absolute treat. Subject 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM. This thing is a performance beast. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, it handles everything with ease. I tested games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile, and the experience was buttery smooth. The phone does get a bit warm after extended gaming sessions, but it's nothing too concerning. The camera. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. The Vivo X200 Pro has a triple camera setup. A 50mm main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. In daylight, the photos are sharp, detailed, and full of vibrant colors. The ultra-wide lens does a great job of capturing more of the scene without too much distortion. The telephoto lens is perfect for zooming in on distant subjects without losing detail. At night, the phone's night mode really shines. It brightens up dark scenes while keeping noise to a minimum. For video, you can shoot up to 8K at 30 FPS, and the stabilization is pretty solid for handheld shots. Battery and charging. Battery life is another strong point of the Vivo X200 Pro. It packs a 5500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, that 120 fast charger is a lifesaver. It takes the phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Software and features. The Vivo X200 Pro runs on FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14. It's feature-packed, but it does come with some bloatware. Thankfully, most of it can be uninstalled or disabled. The software is smooth and responsive, and you get some cool customization options too. 7. Price and value. Now, let's talk price. The Vivo X200 Pro starts at $899, which is pretty competitive for a flagship device when you consider the specs. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the amazing camera setup, and the 120W charging. It's hard to argue with the value you're getting here. So is the Vivo X200 Pro the ultimate flagship killer? In my opinion, it's definitely a strong contender. It offers top-tier performance, a stunning display, an incredible camera setup, and blazing fast charging, all at a price that undercuts many of its competitors. If you're in the market for a flagship phone that won't break the bank, the Vivo X200 Pro should be at the top of your list. Let me know in the comments what you think about this phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.